Okay, I have a package from Pieter. I suspect it is Pieter Bezuidenhout. Let's see what he sent me. Open this. I don't think I have any knives of Pieter Bezuidenhout. I saw him doing something quite cool on Facebook. So let's see what it looks like in real life. There's that. Okay. Let's see what my first Pieter Bezuidenhout look like. Yeah, handmade by Pieter Bezuidenhout. There you are. Okay, it's birth certificate, gentleman's folder, Astra Damascus, ivory. Okay, thank you. So, how about that then? Isn't that just the sleekest, sexiest little knife you've seen in a while? This is, I think, the Damascus. He's saying it's Astra Damascus. I think that is from Pieter Bezuidenhout. Actually, I love his Damascus, and I know it might just be in my mind, but I always think Pieter Bezuidenhout's Damascus, it just sharpens incredibly sharp. I think he told me once it's got something to do with the fact that it's Damascus. Yeah, there you are. Full on lefty. Really pretty, really neat. No pocket clip because I'm now going to get my Jansen to create a nice sheath that I can hang on my belt, and just try life without a pocket clip on some of my knives and see how that works. But this is really, it feels really solid, and it's just a really pretty. It's a really pretty. I want to say little knife. It's not, you know, I'm saying little because it's really slim, but obviously if I close my hand you can see it's not a short knife. I'm sure the length 215 millimeters. I have come to believe that around 200 millimeters and up is a nice size for my hand. So there you have it. I'm quite impressed. It's really got a nice action, and it's just such a pretty knife. So Pieter Bezuidenhout, thank you so much. I am very impressed, and I think I'm gonna sit and play with this knife quite a bit. It's got such a nice action. Thank you very much. It's really, really pretty. And really, really well made. I'm actually seeing the spacer. I just wonder if I can show it on camera. The spacer is also Damascus. So the spacer actually is the same Damascus, I assume, as the blade. Just look at that. This is a really nice knife. Look at that Damascus. Okay, so Pieter Bezuidenhout, thank you. Very impressed. I'm certainly going to be playing with this and carrying it and using it and sharpening it a lot. Thank you.